I'm Jeremy from Blossom Coffee, and this is the Blossom coffee brewing machine. So this is the design model for our production version, and what makes it so special is that we have separated control of the variables that change the flavor of coffee and given you precise and repeatable control of every single one. And what this means is that you can dial in a cup of coffee and brew the same amazing cup no matter where you go. So we aspire to bring end-to-end quality control to the coffee industry for the very first time.
And how does it work? Will you demo it without the coffee in there?
Yeah. So with the user interface here, you select your brew recipe. So your coffee roaster, such as Contraband, could dial in and say our coffee should brew at 197 degrees Fahrenheit with a 15:1 ratio of coffee to water, and it should be stirred at 30 seconds. And all you need to do is then hit Contraband Coffee, and the machine automatically loads that recipe, heats the water to the perfect temperature, and heats the brew unit to the perfect temperature as well. You pour the coffee in yourself, the machine adds water itself, and then it prompts you to stir at 30 seconds, and maintains the perfect temperature for the full brew duration. And so this is the first coffee machine ever built that can hold a single body of coffee and maintain a perfect flat line temperature for any duration that you want.
And so that makes the equivalent of a pour-over coffee? That's not espresso.
It is not espresso. It is a cup of brewed coffee. You may recognize some espresso parts on here. So this is a standard portafilter that we've utilized in our design, and also the lever press out is reminiscent of some classic lever style espresso machines. The main difference though between this and espresso is that you brew your whole volume of coffee all at one time. So it's actually a full immersion like a French press. So we combined a few different brew styles, and through a lot of